Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to bring you a review of the RCG008 Replacement Universal Remote Control. If you've been searching for a convenient and versatile remote control, then look no further. This universal remote is compatible with a wide range of popular TV brands, including LG, Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, Toshiba, and Philips. No more switching between different remotes for different TVs, this one does it all. One of the best features of this remote control is its lightweight and portable design. You can easily carry it around with you and use it anywhere in your home. No more being tied down to a specific spot in the room. With this remote, you have the freedom to control your TV from wherever you are. In addition, this remote control uses wireless communication through IR technology, so you can say goodbye to tangled cables and wires. It's quick and easy to set up, and you'll be enjoying hassle-free control of your TV in no time. And let's not forget about the convenience of having one channel for easy and efficient control of your TV. No more navigating through multiple menus. This remote simplifies the process and makes it a breeze to adjust settings and switch between channels. So, if you're ready to simplify and streamline your TV watching experience, I highly recommend giving the RCG008 Replacement Universal Remote Control a try. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.